everybody. So today I'm going to show you, so it's the 24th, it's Christmas Eve, and I'm going to be doing a potato salad, so I thought I would bring you guys along, and I'll turn you around so you can see. We have our potatoes, which I think we may need more. You're going to need a ham, bacon or bacon bits. I prefer the bacon bits because the bacon has a lot of fat, some dill pickles, some Miracle Whip or whatever mayonnaise you prefer, and I have I'm gonna use a marble cheese in mine, but you could use whatever whatever kind you want. So, but nothing, I wouldn't use like a really sharp cheese. So what we're gonna do first is we're gonna start, let's see, we're going to start peeling our potatoes. This is a recipe that Ed's dad does, and he's the one that showed me how to do this many years ago, and I think it's the best potato salad there is out there. Okay, my thing with the potato is cut them into bite size. I gotta get a different knife. Bite size pieces. They boil faster and it saves you a lot of time. And you don't need, you need these boiled like to be cooked, but you don't need like you know, where they're mushy, because that's too much. And you want to make sure that these are completely cool, because you gotta put a lot of like this stuff in there, and you don't want like the cheese melting to the potato, because that would just suck really bad. So what I'm gonna do, you may need more depending how many people you are cooking for or gonna be eating this. I usually make like a decent size one, because Ed will have a sample. He always has a sample bowl of this, and then usually I would say it lasts, I don't know, 3 days, and then, but if it's not eaten by then, well then it's time to throw it out. But and then we're gonna eat with our turkey meal. Just make sure that you have enough. And yeah, so I'm gonna finish peeling these potatoes. What you're gonna want to do is after you're done and they're rinsed off, you're gonna put them in a pot, boil them. I usually do like you know, when it starts to boil, you don't need to keep it on the highest setting. I find like you can probably go down to like a medium high boil, and they'll turn out. And just keep checking them, and then when they're done boiling, what we're gonna do is rinse them under cold water and put them back into the pot. Like, I'll show you, because you're gonna boil. I should maybe turn you guys around. I don't know if you can see here. I think so. Okay, so you're gonna boil your potatoes, drain, like rinse them off when they're done, drain them, and then put them back into the pot of cold water. And usually I just stick the pot into the fridge and give it, I don't know, just make sure they're cold, like maybe an hour or two, probably more like 2 hours. And at that time, well, I'll be back for that. I can show you guys what to do. Anyways, yeah, so I'm gonna just continue to peel these potatoes and then get them boiled up, and then we will get all of this, the bacon and the cheese and the ham and the pickles and the Miracle Whip all mixed together. And this is a salad. I should also mention this. It's not like you put it together and you could serve. I mean, you could, but it's best if it's nicely chilled. That's what I recommend. Anyways, I'm gonna keep on doing this, and then I'll see you guys in a couple seconds to do the next step. Okay, so I'm just finishing cutting up the ham here. I've already cut the cheese, did the pickles, bacon we don't have to do because it's already crumbled up. So, and our potatoes, they're cooled. Talking about the potatoes, I had to freaking go to Foodland to go and get another bag of potatoes because the ones I bought from Independent, all the ones on the bottom were rotten. They were like, I couldn't make the salad with that. Good thing, like, I decided to make it today and not tomorrow, because, can you guys see? Not tomorrow, because then we wouldn't have potato salad. So, yeah, and that would have just sucked. Okay, so we have our potatoes in here. We're gonna put our, this is like half of a brick. And sometimes, like, after all of this is in there, you may notice that, oh, I need a little bit more cheese or pickles or whatever. Then put it in. Some pickles. And it wasn't too busy. I mean, it's probably busier now, but Foodland, it wasn't busy like how, other stores would be. Some ham, chopped up ham. And then we are going to, oh my goodness, I gotta do a pipe token. I forgot to get my pipe thing ready. Well, we'll do this. I'll put this in and then I'll do the pipe stuff. And the only other thing is I had to take a shower, and so I have clean clothes on, but they're like not my Christmas Eve clothes. And my hair is up like it was this morning, except I don't have the hat on because my hair is drying because it's damp still. Oh my god. Okay, so there's our bacon bits. Put in, I'll just put the whole bag in because that's how much I use. Okay, let's just stick that aside. and son of a gun. Yeah, I forgot about it. I was like, yeah, just go and I could go and do it now, and apparently no. I didn't get the pipe. I wonder if I have enough on here. It's looking a little bit sketchy. Anyways. Okay, while I do this, I was gonna say about the potato salad, I don't know what else you can put in there. Like I said, Ed's dad was the one that showed me how to make this. So, I mean, I had potato salad growing up, but it was not like this. This stuff is really, really good. I really didn't, I don't know. It was nothing like this. I don't even know what was in the potato salad, but I don't remember anything like this. So, I don't know if you could put I wouldn't put anything else in. Everything comes together so nice. And you can get Miracle Whip. You can get Miracle Whip. I've tried the Hellmann's in this, and no, it doesn't. Miracle Whip just tastes like Miracle Whip, and a lot of people can't stand it. But I don't know. I didn't like the Hellmann's mayonnaise, or like any other mayonnaise for that matter, in this salad. It's got to be, for me, Miracle Whip. And I just have to get a lighter. Okay, and I'll move some of this stuff out of the way. And I'm gonna put this here. I'll turn you guys around so you can see. My hair's wet, and I gotta set up this mirror. God. Okay. Anyways, let's get in a pipe toke. We'll mix this all up. Also, you need some pepper. And some people, if you like deviled eggs or boiled eggs, you know, like some people put that on their salad, you can do that. Ed's dad does it. Yeah, so it's Christmas Eve. Well, we're just well, it's 3:30, so. I gotta do that. I'll do this. I still have to chop meat and cheese and pickles for us. I don't know. I still have to, wear something better than this. Okay. I'm just gonna wash my hands. Okay, let's get back to the salad. Okay, so there is the salad. I don't know, measurement wise for the Miracle Whip. I just scoop it in, mix, and if you need more, you have it. Oops. There. Let's go with that. And you don't want to be like overly aggressive with this when mixing it. Like wait till you get the mayonnaise everywhere and then go ahead. It's just because it's the potatoes, and that's why you don't overcook your potatoes, because if you do, it'll be mushy. See, we're gonna need, I don't know how this turned into such a big potato salad. We'll try. That should be good. You just need to make sure it's everywhere, but not like soup wise. Like you want to taste it, but you don't want to be the only thing you taste is Miracle Whip. Yeah, it's slowly coming together. Damn. Let me get a paper towel. Maybe that's okay. That's gonna be good. So you just continue to mix. Make sure you get everything there at the bottom of your bowl, and just kind of like not fold it, but maybe a little bit. Okay. And that's just kind of even it out. And then this is where you take your pepper. Like so, and give it a little bit of there, maybe a little bit more there, and then you're gonna cover it and you're gonna leave it in the fridge. It's oh my god, it's this is towards me. There, it's what the heck was I gonna say? It's good for up to 3 days. So this looks like I have something messy going on. Anyways, yeah, that's potato salad. I think it's the best one out there, but you can try and judge for yourself. Okay, so I have to do some other things now for Christmas Eve. Setting it up, I guess you could say. Maybe I should there, that's a little bit better, eh? Yeah, that's potato salad. Oh, I know what I was gonna say. It's best, so it's like just about 3:45. I think it's the best when it's sat there for a couple hours after everything's whatever, and then, like I said, Ed will have a taste test bowl of it like later on. But it's so good, like it's just a good salad. So I think that's my video on potato salad. And yeah, I got other things I gotta do. So that's it. That's all. Bye.